Hi everyone, Sue here from the DT team. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card. I'm going to be using the Happy Holidays A6 stamp set, and I'm going to be using one of these beautiful ivy stamps, which is this one. So I'm going to get a piece of white card, and this is 4 inches by 4 inches square, and I'm going to stamp using Diversifying Nocturne in black, and I'm gonna just stamp randomly all over the piece of card. So how about there? I'm just filling the little gaps with edges of the stamp. Okay, I think that's all right. So we'll leave this over here to dry nicely. And the next thing I have is a piece of black card. Now this is 4 by 1.5 inches, and we're going to stamp the same ivy onto this, again using black Versifying. Like so. But this time we're going to emboss it. We're going to be using the Hi-Ho Silver embossing glaze for this. my heat gun. Then I'm going to paint this with some luscious, and I think we'll use apple green for this one. So this is my apple green. So next you want to get the piece of card that we used before, get some grab and go glue, and just put this on the front. We're going to put it a little bit off centre, like so. Hopefully that's quite straight. Okay, come on. Yeah, that's more or less where I want to keep it. Then we're going to get a piece of black card as a mat. This piece of card is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Actually, I'm telling fibs. It's actually 4 3/8 by 4 3/8. So we'll go through those again because I've confused myself now. So the black mat is 4 3/8 by 4 3/8. The white card is 4 inches by 4 inches, and the little strip is 4 inches by 1.5 inches. And then we're going to put it onto what should be a 5 by 5 card base, but it's actually 4 3/4. So just get my bone folder. Press that down here. Get a bit more grab and go. And try and get that somewhere in the middle. If I get rid of that, I can see it more clearly. A little bit further up there. That's about right. Okay. Then on this stamp set again, we've got the words and sentiment of happy holidays. So I've stamped them onto a little bit of white card, and again in black VersaFine, and I've gone around the edges with a little bit of the archival ink in black soot. I'm just going to stick this here. And there you have a very quick and simple holiday Christmas card. Now the great thing about these small cards is that they're very easy to batch make. So if you want to make a load of Christmas cards, you can use a background of any kind. You can have pink or silver, blue, green, anything you like. And the same with the background, you can just use the old black and white, use a different colour ink, use a different colour ink and paint one or two of the leaves in. The same with the strips, again you can have black and white or white and black. There's pink with purple, black with embossing powder and blue or green or silver. And then you can put together all the different kinds of cards you like. So take the pink, the black and white card and the pink flowers. And I mean, that's not even Christmassy, is it? It's quite, it could be any kind of card, birthday card, thank you card, anything. Piece of silver background, teal coloured ink, and then luscious teal and black. Oh, that's nice. That's quite Christmassy, that one too. Again, sparkly background. One where the leaves have been coloured in, one or two of them. And again, green luscious. Lovely. Blue background, blue ink, and some silver luscious. Again, I'm not sure whether that's Christmassy or not. It looks more like a spring kind of card, so it just shows what sort of combinations you can come up with. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Here's again is the original card, and come back and see us soon. Take care. Bye.